Hey bro, yeah, welcome to another lesson of today. Okay, I just want to show you this muting of guitar. Very simple. Okay, but before then, I want you to do one thing for me. I want you to write on the comment section the very good, awesome video, very nice. Okay, so that Facebook can promote the video to some other people that are interested to watch the video. Okay, smash the like button, share the video so that other people can benefit as well as you. Okay, so I had a question on my comment section on how to mute guitar. Okay, it's very simple, but there are tricks you need to have so that you can. Okay, stuff like that. So I want to do the lesson in the key of C. This is the key of C. Okay, that is the key of C. Okay, so at first, this is your root note now. If you want to mute this do now, for instance, okay, this is your do. If you want to mute it, you will not press the do that much. Okay, you just place your finger on the do. Just rest your finger on the do. Stuff like this. Okay, you just place your finger on the do. Okay, you don't press it. You just place it on top like this. Okay. When you press this like this, okay. When you place your finger like this, your first finger, okay, it will bring out this sound. That is a muting sound. Re, 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 mi. The same thing. Okay, so and for your information, these two fingers are really the vital finger, the ultimate fingers you can use in muting your strings. The first and the ring finger. The first finger and the ring finger, okay? Stuff like this. Okay? Stuff like that. If you want to go to the fourth string, you do the same. To the fifth string. Okay, stuff like that. You just need to walk up. Okay. If for instance you want to mute the second string here, like the mi. This is the mi. Keep practicing that, okay? It won't come that very easy, okay? It's just a continuous playing, okay? It's just a continuous raising. You raise it often, okay? You raise it often. Like if you want to use it, mostly is use it when it's time for worship song. Like if you are playing song, like if you are playing a chord progression like do, okay? So. What you do is okay, you just hold it down. Do, okay, you just mute the do, or you mute this root do here, okay, on the fifth string, okay. That is going to your song now. Okay, stuff like that. So stuff like that, you just keep practicing that, okay? Wherever you don't understand, hit it on the comment section. All right.